How to cancel subscriptions on business PayPal account. So in order to do that, we actually just need to head over first into your actual PayPal and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So if you're a business account, in order to actually cancel an automatic payment or a subscription, what you can do is you can head over to the account settings of your PayPal. Then from in there, select the payment preferences. Click on Set Automatic Payments and select the merchants that you wish to cancel. So in order to update it, you can click on the menu, tap on the wallet, and this is actually applicable on the app. Tap on plus in order to manage the auto pay, and then tap the merchant that you wish to view or update. From in there, you can update your preferred payment method as well as update your subscription through that part as well. So it's actually doable on both phone, mobile app, as well as on the browser itself. So that's how you cancel subscription and business PayPal account. Hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. If you got a question, just drop it in the comments.